Here I have iPhone XS Max, and let me show you how to enter recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's connect your device to your PC. Here I have the iPhone cable. Of course, you have to have the iTunes opened. So let me connect my device. And now you need to use the following combination of keys. You need to press volume up once, volume down once, and start holding the side button until you see the iTunes logo on your iPhone. So let me do it. Let's use volume up, volume down, and let's hold down the side button. Keep holding side button until the iTunes logo pops up. The Apple logo pops up, but don't let go of the side button. Excellent. Right now you are in a recovery mode. You can release the side key. As you can see on your iTunes, there is a problem with the iPhone. The iPhone requires update or restore. So that's what we need. This is the recovery mode. So here let me tap cancel. As you can see, if the iPhone is in recovery mode, you can only update or restore the iPhone. So that's it. If you would like to quit this mode, you need to use the same combination. So press volume up, volume down, and let's hold down the side button until you see the Apple logo this time. The Apple logo pops up. You can release side button. Let's wait until your device will be in a normal mode. Excellent. The home screen pops up. Let me disconnect my device. And now you can use your device in a normal way. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.